Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to share files in Terabox on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, just go ahead to your Terabox over here, and if you want to share the files, just tap on this share button at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on this select files to share. Just tap on it like this. For example, here I'm gonna change for this file. I'm gonna tap on it. Now tap on share button here at the bottom, and after you can choose the files that you want to share to another Terabox account or another social media application like Facebook, WhatsApp, and etc. And if you want to share it, simply just tap, maybe for example I'm gonna share it to the WhatsApp contacts. Just tap on it. Now just select the contacts that you want to share for these files. And if it is done, just tap on this blue button at the bottom. Tap on the send options. And yeah, it will automatically send to the contacts that we have chosen before. So yeah guys, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.